Hi there. Hi there. Today we're building Lego Marvel superheroes, Captain America Civil War, Captain America's motorcycle. So let's get building. So we've got instructions. Got instructions here. So the first step is to build Captain America. So we got his pants. Okay, let's build. Where's his shield? Oh, we don't do a shield yet, so this is Captain America. What I find really weird is like this he doesn't have like a helmet piece. It's just this head. Okay, so next we'll build his motorcycle. Wait, is it this way? Yes, this way.
Right here, please.
So,
Hold on.
okay, we're back. We just need to fix the thing. So now we're building this.
Oh no.
Ay. Let me look at the instructions. Okay, so there it is. There. So next, we put the wheels. So we're back. We got another technical. So we put the wheels on. What? Oh, wrong one. Okay. So now we put this axle piece. As far as we can. Okay. Then we put this. Now put that aside and we get this red piece. Then we put, and then we build up. We're building like the little missile place that we are gonna use our thick fire missile. It's like we put this piece in, put the wheel in. This is where you put this wheel in.
Show. Show it.
It's like this.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Let me see.
Like this.
Down.
This is for the axle piece, and this side is for that. So now we put in the place where we put our missile. When we build up the missile, wait, not yet for some reason. So that's that. Then there's this left. Then we put a shield on. And we have an extra piece. And it says not to hit anyone with the missile. and then we put him on the handlebars. There. There. We can flick fire. There. Like that.
Show it again.
That's
Here, wait, let's show it this way.
so the flick fire. It's really hard for me. It's pretty hard for me, so it doesn't go far.
What do you do? Do you just push it?
Yeah, you push it.
Oh.
It's hard.
Try it this way.
Pew. Yeah, like that. Also, there's a extra piece.
Right here?
Wait, let me see. Yeah, this is the extra piece. The only one and only extra piece. I have like all. We can use this for other things. And that's the Captain America's motorcycle review. Number 30447. See you guys later.